Hello viewers, greetings for the day. Now continuing our series on stainless steel know it better, today I will explain you why stainless steel pots crackle or why stainless steel pots get blackened during heating. Stainless steel compared to copper and aluminum has a very poor thermal conductivity and is expansion compared to these two metals for the same amount of temperature is much higher. So when stainless steel pots you are using, for example, for boiling, you will notice a crackling sound. This sound is because stainless steel crystals, because the heat is not being transferred to other area or heat is not being dissipated, stainless steel crystals are expanding and they are striking each other, causing this sound. Similarly, if you are cooking food in a stainless steel pressure cooker, for example, or stainless steel pot, and if there is not sufficient water, or if you are not stirring the food constantly, then there is a possibility of this food getting stuck in the bottom, or it will blacken the surface. Again, the reason is the same. On the other hand, if you are stirring the food and there is sufficient quantity of water and the flame is low, then the blackening will not be there. Now that is the reason stainless steel pressure cookers, if you have noticed, they have a bottom piece which is of a different material than the material of the pressure cooker. This material has a much higher thermal conductivity and a much lower thermal expansion compared to the main body. So there is much better dissipation of heat, and that's why you will that blackening of the bottom is not there. So stainless steel per se may not be good for cooking, but for the same reason stainless steel is good for storage of cooked food, because of its poor thermal conductivity it will retain heat for longer time. So in case you have prepared the food already and you are expecting some guests, so you can rely on stainless steel storage pots because these will retain heat for longer time and you may not have to reheat the heat. Thank you for watching. We will take in the next video we will take some other aspect of stainless steel. Thank you very much.